Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today we're showcasing the top 30 coolest woodworking tools under $50 on Amazon that every DIY and pro woodworker will love. From smart measuring gadgets to powerful workshop accessories, these affordable tools can save time, improve accuracy, and make your projects easier than ever. Let's dive in and discover the best budget woodworking tools of 2026.
Blockcision Setup Blocks. Blockcision Setup Blocks are precision machined aluminum alloy gauge blocks designed to simplify woodworking setups. Ideal for quickly and accurately setting saw blade, router bit, and fence heights, they offer a reliable alternative to tape measures. Users praise their durability, high precision, often verified within thousandths of an inch, and clear, laser engraved markings. While some note the standard straight bar design lacks the quick read convenience of Kreg style gauges, overall they save time and enhance accuracy in any workshop. ARTYMASTER Mini 3 D Multi-Angle Square. The ARTYMASTER Mini 3D Multi-Angle Square is a compact, durable aluminum tool designed for precise 45-degree and 90-degree angle marking on three-dimensional workpieces. It functions as a combination, speed and miter square, with laser engraved scales and precision scribing holes for accurate parallel lines. Its 3D design enables marking both face and edge simultaneously. Lightweight and portable, it fits in a pocket or toolbox. Highly praised for quality and versatility, it's ideal for small projects and quick, precise measurements. WETOLS Corner Clamp. The WETOLS Corner Clamp is a versatile tool designed for precision woodworking and metalworking. Its compact, durable aluminum alloy construction ensures stability while holding workpieces securely at perfect 90-degree or 45-degree angles. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily into toolboxes for on-the-go projects. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, this clamp simplifies corner assembly, framing, and soldering tasks. Users appreciate its robust build, accuracy, and time-saving design, making it a must-have for precise and efficient project work. Seika Contour Gauge. The Seika Contour Gauge 10-inch profile tool is perfect for accurately duplicating and transferring irregular shapes in woodworking, tiling, and DIY projects. Made from durable ABS plastic, it features 10-inch wide movable pins that replicate contours precisely. A convenient locking mechanism secures shapes, while adjustable pin tension ensures versatility. With measurement scales for reference, it simplifies tricky cuts around pipes, mouldings, and corners. Users praise its ease of use and accuracy, though minor flexing and small adjustment tools are noted. Jorgensen Mini Wood Planer. The Jorgensen Mini Wood Planer is a professional-grade tool designed for precision woodworking. Its 01 tool steel blade ensures efficient, long-lasting cutting and can be repeatedly sharpened and adjusted. Crafted from durable ductile iron with a zinc alloy lever cap and stainless steel components, it withstands heavy-duty use. The adjustable cutting depth allows versatile planing, while its compact size makes it perfect for trimming, polishing, deburring, and DIY crafts. Smooth operation and easy handling suit both beginners and pros. RUITOOL Japanese Hand Saw. RUITOOL Japanese hand saws are budget-friendly pull saws featuring durable SK5 high-carbon steel blades for precise woodworking. The double-edged Ryoba design offers 17 TPI for fine crosscuts and 14 TPI for fast rip cuts. Ultra-thin, flexible blades allow flush cuts in tight spaces, while hardened 3-edge teeth ensure smooth cutting. Handles come in traditional beechwood or non-slip plastic for comfort. Available in 6-inch and 10-inch lengths, these saws deliver clean, accurate cuts, making them ideal for beginners and DIY enthusiasts. GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig Table Saw. The GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig is a precision table saw accessory crafted from durable anodized aluminum alloy. Its one-way roller bearing ensures safe, forward-only movement, preventing kickback during thin strip cuts. Compatible with standard mitre and U-shaped slots, it accurately cuts strips as thin as 1/32 inch and extends up to 8 inches. Laser engraved scales allow precise adjustments, while its sturdy construction and ease of use make it ideal for repeatable cuts on table saws, band saws, and router tables. BeaverCraft Wood Craving Kit. The BeaverCraft Wood Carving Kit is a versatile set, perfect for both beginners and experienced carvers. Featuring high carbon steel blades and ergonomic wooden handles, these kits include everything needed for a variety of projects, from whittling to spoon carving. Popular options include the S15 Starter knife set for general carving, the S01 spoon carving set for bowls and spoons, and DIY kits with pre-cut blanks and step-by-step guides. All kits come with maintenance tools like a leather strop and polishing compound. Milescraft 8 408 Center Finder. The Milescraft 8 408 Center Finder is a compact, durable tool designed for quickly marking center lines or offsets on boards up to 2.5 inches thick. Made from sturdy ABS plastic, it holds a number 2 pencil perfectly for accurate scribing and features 10 notches for offsets from 1/16 inch to 5/8 inch. With a built-in magnet for convenient storage, this pocket-sized tool enhances efficiency in the workshop. Users praise its precision, portability, and time-saving design, though it's limited to thinner boards. Seika Scriber Marking Line Ruler. The Seika Woodworking Scriber Marking Line Ruler is a versatile, adjustable T-square crafted from durable anodized aluminum alloy. Combining ruler and protractor functions, it allows precise measurement and marking of lengths, angles, and parallel lines. Laser engraved imperial and metric scales ensure long-lasting clarity, while microfine scribing holes enable exact pencil placement. The angle locking feature simplifies multi-angle layout work, and parallel lines are effortless. Often including a mechanical pencil and refills, it's praised for precision, durability, and efficiency, making it an essential tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Rockler All-Terrain Mobile Base. The Rockler All-Terrain Mobile Base is built for moving heavy stationary tools across uneven shop floors with ease. Rated for up to 1,000 pounds, it uses oversized 5-inch urethane casters that roll over debris, cords, and mats. The adjustable steel frame expands from 18 by 18 to 28 by 28 inches, with extensions up to 50 inches. 4 kick-locking casters, mixed fixed and swivel, deliver stability, clearance, and precise maneuverability. Ground clearance and foot pedals improve daily shop workflow. ESTWING Pro Claw Nail Puller. The ESTWING Pro Claw Nail Puller remains a go-to tool for professional construction and demolition work in 2026. Its Japanese pattern, double-ended design delivers exceptional leverage while minimizing wood damage. precision thin, sharpened claws, grip embedded or headless nails in tight corners where pry bars fail. Forged from drop-forged alloy steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, it's built for durability. Available in 9 to 14-inch lengths, ESTWING's non-slip cushion grip ensures comfort, control, and maximum torque on demanding jobs. KAKURI Wood Marking Gauge. The KAKURI Wood Marking Gauge, or traditional Tsuji Kabiki, remains a precision essential for Japanese woodworking in 2026. Designed to scribe accurate parallel lines, it features an eco-friendly bamboo body and a razor-sharp high-carbon steel blade for clean, tear-free marks. A simple screw lock allows secure adjustments, while the retractable blade ensures safe storage. Lightweight and easy to control, it excels on both softwoods and dense hardwoods, delivering consistent professional layout results. MicroJig BLADECLEAN Blade. In 2026, the MicroJig BLADECLEAN blade and bit cleaning system is a fast, all-in-one solution for restoring cutting performance. It removes pitch and resin from saw blades and router bits in under 60 seconds using a one-motion scouring design. Compatible with 7 1/4 inch to 12-inch blades and multiple shank sizes, it also cleans chisels and planes. A magnetic handle, sealed reservoir, and eco-friendly cleaner compatibility make maintenance safer, cleaner, and more efficient for any workshop. Jorgensen 4-inch bar clamp set. The Jorgensen 4-inch bar clamp set is a compact yet powerful clamping solution for woodworking and DIY tasks in 2026. Delivering up to 600 pounds of clamping force, it offers a 4-inch opening and deep 3-inch throat reach. The ratcheting power bar applies pressure quickly, while a fast release trigger ensures easy removal. Built from durable steel with non-marring pads and anti-twist stability, it provides secure, precise holding for small assemblies and detailed projects. BESSEY V2 Wood Floor Spacer. The BESSEY V2 Wood Floor Spacer remains a go-to tool for precise flooring installation in 2026. Designed for laminate, parquet, and vinyl plank floors, it replaces wedges with a dial-based system offering infinite adjustment from 5 to 20 mm. A printed millimeter scale ensures consistent expansion gaps, while a wide anti-slip jaw prevents wall or edge damage. Made from glass fiber reinforced polyamide, it's lightweight, durable, quick to release, and typically sold in convenient 4-piece sets. Saka Spray Paint Racks. In 2026, Saka Spray Paint Racks offer a smart, space-saving solution for finishing cabinet doors and trim. This 10-piece set uses a vertical stacking, triangular nesting design to dry multiple wet pieces in minimal space. Pointed support tips reduce surface contact, preventing paint marks while allowing airflow for faster curing. Made from durable, easy-clean plastic, the racks nest compactly for storage and enable double-sided painting without tools, making them ideal for efficient, professional quality finishing jobs. ProGrip Straight Edge Clamp. In 2026, the ProGrip Straight Edge Clamp doubles as a heavy-duty clamp and a precision cutting guide for saws and routers. Available in 24, 36, and 50-inch lengths, it features a low-profile 5/8 inch rail that won't obstruct tools. A 3-position locking system allows accurate positioning or full clamping power. Built from rigid aircraft-grade aluminum, With non-marring jaws and integrated T-tracks, it delivers straight, repeatable cuts with secure workpiece control. Drawer front installation clamps. In 2026, drawer front installation clamps are essential for precise, hassle-free cabinetry. They hold drawer fronts perfectly in place while drilling or driving screws, acting as a second pair of hands. Micro-adjustment screws allow fine-tuned vertical and horizontal alignment, while high-clearance C-style jaws fit various drawer thicknesses. Built from durable steel with non-marring pads and ergonomic knobs, they prevent damage, ensure consistent gaps, and work with inset or overlay drawers, speeding up installation for professional quality results. ARTYMASTER Corner Clamps. In 2026, ARTYMASTER Corner Clamps are essential 90-degree jigs for woodworking, sold in convenient 4-packs. Spring-loaded for one-handed operation, they automatically adjust to board thicknesses from 5mm to 22mm. Single motion clamping delivers instant consistent pressure, while precision molded V-grooves ensure perfect right-angle joints. Made from durable ABS plastic with heavy-duty stainless springs, these lightweight rust-proof clamps work on corners, T-joints, and multiple materials, making them ideal for cabinets, frames, shelving, and compact DIY projects. Woodpeckers Indexable Joiners. In 2026, the Woodpeckers Indexable Joiners Combination Square is a precision layout tool designed for accurate dovetail joinery. Featuring heads with common dovetail ratios 1:6, 1:7, 1:8, and a push-button indexing system, it ensures perfect alignment at every inch or 30mm mark. Laser-cut scribing guides and a sliding support tab provide precise, stable marking. Machined from aircraft-grade aluminum with stainless steel blades, it's compatible with multiple blade lengths and the Mini Indexable system, available as individual parts or deluxe sets. Fastcap Tri Trimmer. In 2026, the Fastcap Tri Trimmer is a specialized edge banding tool ideal for cabinet refacing and tight spaces. Its unique 3-blade design offers dual trimming modes, a dual blade end for long, flush cuts, and a single blade end for internal corners. With 30-degree carbon steel blades, reversible for extended use, it handles wood veneers, vinyl, PVC, and real wood edges. Compact and ergonomic, the Tri Trimmer ensures precise, straight cuts without springs, delivering control and efficiency for professional quality cabinetry. U-Scribe Jig. The U-Scribe Jig is a clever U-shaped woodworking tool that simplifies accurate scribing on uneven walls, floors, and ceilings. Acting like a third hand, it holds panels securely in position while providing a fixed reference point for precise marking. This slide, scribe, cut, and fit process reduces guesswork and rework. Available in multiple material thicknesses, it's ideal for cabinets, trim, filler panels, and professional quality installations. Seika Mini Multifunctional Table Saw. The Seika Mini Multifunctional Table Saw is a compact portable electric tool built for DIYers, hobbyists, and craft enthusiasts. Powered by a 100-watt motor with 7 adjustable speed levels, it delivers precise cuts on wood, plastic, PCB boards, and soft metals. Its 0 degrees to 90 degrees adjustable cutting angle, 16mm cutting depth, and multiple blade options enhance versatility. Added attachments allow sanding, engraving, and drilling, making it ideal for small workspaces. Küberit Easily Bendable, Profile 807EB. The Küberit Easily Bendable Profile 807EB is a premium aluminum stair, nosing solution designed for curved stairs and smooth transitions. Its open-punched construction allows easy hand or machine bending for precise shaping. Made from durable anodized aluminum, it offers high load capacity and long-lasting protection. Compatible with vinyl, carpet, PVC, CV, and cork flooring, it installs cleanly with concealed fastening for a refined, seamless architectural finish. Trim Buddy Finish Work Multi-Tool. The Trim Buddy Finish Work Multi-Tool is a compact 5-in-1 carpentry tool designed to make trim work faster and more precise. Made from durable aluminum or plastic, it sets consistent 1/4 inch or 3/16 inch reveals. Features a built-in 2-inch ruler, scribing tool, 45-degree marking guide, and parallel line marker. Lightweight and pocket-sized, it ensures professional results on doors and windows. Proudly made in the USA, it's backed by a lifetime warranty for long-lasting reliability. Milescraft 1315 HookDriver. The Milescraft 1315 HookDriver is a versatile 2-in-1 tool designed for installing hooks and eyelets up to 1/4 inch in diameter, either by hand or with a power drill. Its detachable T-handle provides ergonomic comfort, control, and magnetized bit storage. Compatible with impact drivers and standard drills, the magnetic 1/4 inch hex shank ensures secure installation. Perfect for home projects like backyard swings, plant hangers, or other DIY tasks, it saves time, reduces strain, and makes hook installation effortless. Rockler Beadlock Pro Jig with 3/8 kit. The Rockler Beadlock Pro Jig with 3/8 kit is a versatile all-metal joinery system designed for creating strong, concealed mortise and tenon joints using a standard hand drill. Its durable steel and aluminum frame ensures long-lasting use, while precise alignment indicators and dedicated clamping areas make setup easy. Adjustable for various stock thicknesses, it includes a 3/8 inch drill guide, drill bit, stop collar, knobs, hex wrench, and molded case, offering a professional grade solution for hobbyists and woodworkers. MicroLux Micro Sander. The MicroLux Micro Sander is a compact precision tool perfect for intricate sanding on models, miniatures, and hard-to-reach areas. Delivering 7,000 strokes per minute, it combines high performance with lightweight maneuverability. With 8 interchangeable sanding tips, peel and stick pads, and multi-material versatility, it works on wood, plastic, and metal. Available in corded and cordless versions, this Japanese-made sander ensures durable, reliable, and precise finishing for hobbyists and professionals alike. Jellas Belt Sander with Dust Bag. The Jellas Belt Sander, available in 7 amp or 750 watt versions, is a versatile corded tool for material removal, paint stripping, and wood polishing. Its powerful motor ensures efficient performance, while the 6-position variable speed control adapts to different tasks. With effective dust collection, ergonomic soft grip handle, and lock-on button, it reduces fatigue. The 2-in-1 functionality allows handheld or bench use, and the toolless belt tracking adjustment, plus included sanding belts, make it perfect for precise woodworking projects.